For the past couple of days, I've been getting a lot of stick, or in Jamaican term, beaten because of what I've been saying. And even down to the last night interview, pre-match press conference from the Reggae Boyz head coach, Al Grimson. I've been listening to it and I'm like, just shake my head. I'm like, where is the belief? Where is the confidence? Where is the point where we might do something? Where is that? We're going to find that. And it gives me a really downhearted feeling, a disheartened feeling, specifically for today's game. Even though I still believe that, we can do something. But where's the belief coming from the coach? Anyways, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining me. Massive, massive respect for everyone who's tuning in. Now, this is not my doing. This is not my saying, people. Listening to the coach for the past couple of days, his tone has changed. And his tone has gone into the direction of we're the weakest. So if we lose, it's expected. If we win, we overachieve. And I don't like that sentiment. I really don't like that feeling of, because we're the underdog, we should expect to lose. I don't like that, none at all. Or because we're underdogs, if we win, we overachieve. Let me just give it. First of all, we're FIFA rankings, even though we don't know talk about FIFA rankings, I mean nothing. Where FIFA ranking is concerned, I think we're at 53 right now. Reggae Boyz FIFA ranking is at 53, right? Let's have a look here. Bolivia, 84. Bolivia, 84. Costa Rica, 52. Jamaica, mentioned already, 53. Paraguay, 58. And Venezuela, 54. So we would have been ahead of Venezuela. That's a FIFA ranking. So according to just by FIFA ranking alone, going to these games, we are superior to Venezuela, who at this present moment lead our group. Because we're ahead of them. Superior to Venezuela, Bolivia, and Paraguay. So those are three teams that we are ahead of in the FIFA ranking. Why use FIFA ranking here, people? Now, Panama, a team that we defeated recently. Recently we defeated Panama. Who people are going to say, boy, we're not as good as these teams. Let me give you a good example now. Costa Rica went 52, 52 versus FIFA ranking 4th, Brazil. Went and given us an astonishing account of themselves versus one of the top 5 teams in the world. We're not talking about in Europe, we're not talking about in South America. We're talking about in the world. When you look at the Brazil team compared to the Costa Rica team is mostly comprised, 90% of the Costa Rican players play in Costa Rica. 90% play in Costa Rica. They have probably 1 or 2 players who play in Europe. Probably 1 or 2. And then we have a couple more who play MLS. I have a couple more, probably have more than I will play MLS. Go up against Brazil with a squad of 99%. All players playing at the elite level in Europe. 99%. Bar Hendricks, Hendricks probably I go at Real Madrid now, so probably cannot include myself. So I probably can say 100%. But Costa Rica went there, going up against Brazil and given a proper proper account of themselves, to stay in that particular group and stay in and amongst them, not conceding, even though they didn't score. They're on 1 point. They just need no one positive result to put them on 4 points, which will put them in a very comfortable position. So maybe they can get that from Paraguay. Colombia would be difficult, just the same as Brazil. But if they can hold off Brazil like that, why not? No, I'm saying that to say this. I cannot sit and consistently listen to people tell me how bad the Reggae Boyz are, when in fact teams with less quality players are achieving more than us. I'm not going to say we're the best team in our world, but look at the quality players we have in our team. People are going to say, boy, Costa Rica have a system and them play together, this or that. If this Reggae Boyz team was a 100% JPL players where and JPL coach them where that is the level and we're underperform, everybody going to say, boy, this is a team and I'm ready for the level there. But there's no way we can have a team like this comprised of so much players playing at the top level of football. At the top level of football, we've been at the top level of football. And cannot at least put a couple passes together. Al Grimson, I have to say, coach of a shake up. And from me I hear him, we must speak when him just come versus there's a steady decline in confidence, in belief, and also in his demeanor. People are going to tell me, say, the coach is being real. And they now mislead the fans. And that's what people are telling me. I say, what? Do you believe that USA don't have the best team in that competition? Do you believe that the USA fans them are going at the games them and say, boy, we are the underdogs, so if we can get a result in anything? No. Bolivia, they are the lowest ranked team in the competition. Do you believe Bolivia going at the game with the head say, boy, they not get nothing, so anything? You're mad? Let me check something. Let me just check something. Groups. Bolivia lost to USA. USA defeated Bolivia 2-0. I'm not going to say it's the best performance. I won't say it's the best performance or anything like that. But you really believe that Bolivia going at the match with the idea, say, boy, we're not going to win, we're not get nothing from it? No. I don't understand why our coach decide to overhype. I never say overhype, but gloss over any opponents who are going to play. Gloss over them. And then when you talk about we know, it sound like, say, boy, we are going to struggle. If we concede an early goal, you know, look like we can come back. Not all these type, but it not sound good. People me don't know, me don't care. There's so much people are coming in a comment section and go tell me, say, boy, MG, team are play good, this or that, right there. Me never say nothing about that. Right up, what I speak right now is the belief system of what the coach has said. I mean, I agree with what the coach has said, none at all. I don't like what the coach has said. I don't like what he's saying. Even if he does not believe it, even if he believes it, I don't like what he's saying. You cannot tell me that we are the weakest team in our competition when other weaker team or team will have less quality and match up to the bigger teams them. And they give a good account of themselves. If you look in Europe, if you look in Euros at this moment, if anyone want to watch Euro and I watch a video, let me give a good example. Austria in a one group where has bigger teams than them. Let me, where the group there? Austria is in a group with France, Netherlands, and Poland. Austria in one group with France, Netherlands, and Poland. And Austria top the group. You cannot compare that Austria squad to neither France nor Netherlands where quality is concerned. You cannot. But Austria went in there with belief that they can do something. With belief that they can do something. With aspiration to do something. And people are going to tell me, say, boy, we're not good, so we can't play ball, so if we lose, I do nothing. The coach will try. Of course the coach will try. Me know say coach will try. But what is he saying? You cannot say that. You have to speak. You have to speak better than that. Jamaica is not the best team in the world. But we're not the worst team in the competition. Especially when you look at the quality we have on the pitch compared to some of the other teams who get good results, it is chalk and cheese night and day. You know much of these teams that want to have Mikel and Tony in the team? One Demarai Gray, one Bobby Reed, one Ethan Pinnock, one Hector. Gee, people are Premier League players, what talk about, you know? Let me Keith play for Wolverhampton. Are Premier League players, what talk about, you know? Premier League players, what talk about, you know? Most of these teams have them homegrown players and MLS. And 1 and 2 little players in League One and little players, and them are give a proper account of themselves. You know, hear them sound defeat us already. You know, you let them lose already. No. Me know people that come cuss me and say, boy, MG, yeah, the coach, I do the right thing and the team I play good and this. I know people are going to say that. I mean, I talk about that. I talk about how much the things that he's saying. That is getting me very, very frustrated. Extremely frustrated. You cannot be glossing over the opponent. Or over-glossing over the opponent. And then when I talk about your team, that you are coach. Make you look like say every game we're going now, we're going to struggle. We now can't score. We won't be able to keep a clean sheet. All that type of something. We know what the opponents can do. We know. But what is it that we can do to nullify the opponent's strengths and capitalize on their weaknesses? Anyways, me, I'm very optimistic, very hopeful. But me not lie, I'm disappointed in how the coach attack. Very, very disappointed in how the coach attack. People don't cuss me face, so you go. Anyways, me you see, big up on yourself, people. See there, all the camera gone. All the camera gone to backside. All the camera gone, but so you go. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Please do smash like. Well, if you know want to lick like, if you know want to hit the like button, that's for the business, no problem. If you think if you agree with me, you can hit the like button. Smash the like button. Link in the comment section. You can definitely support us. Also in the description. Massive respect, people. Like, share, and subscribe if you want. See you guys again. Until next time. Join us for the watch along later, people. Watch along later. MG Sports TV. Have a wonderful day and God bless. We're out. Boom. Bye. I like what I go on. I like. I like a coach attack. You can definitely talk better than that, in my view.